the stories of the animals and its fables.
Hey.
Our stories. They are our histories.
Dressing up on motoku, dressing up on mama. Importance on this. Papa mama come Japiano.
It's very comfortable with people saying, you know, I like your work. So the writer writes about the truth.
I say this after me. You see? Yama, you, untolibo Igbo. Una masa believe. Jezona. Okay, I just don't want to allow you also.
People are known for being resilient people.
But it's men we are friends with them because they were the guys with the cash.
Not all children were born to flower. Some are born to bloom. Some are born into doom.
I'm sorry, she says it's a forehead peg. I can't state it here.
What would you highlight as his most important contribution to society?
Our culture is as beautiful as our hair is soft.
It has been an exhilarating experience, the way people have shown up, the way the conversations have gone.
Who is your favorite Nigerian author?
I enjoy Femi Osofesa.
Like the Southeast doesn't have any literary arts and book festival that encourage youth and bring people together to discuss books and stuff.
I've been blown away by the kind of people I've met here.
This is the nicest festival I've been to.
Talk to me, I'm